Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to completely automatically insert multiple rows in our table. And on my side situation is that I don't have anything right now in a table because I have done that truncate thing. Right, so totally ground zero situation. Right. And we're gonna use try except block of code, but you know about that up till now. So let's work with SQL command here. So insert into table is play. I always mess this thing, and I will disregard ID here as a column because I need MySQL server to care about that. Why not? Let's typing if nothing else. So we are targeting name and last name and telephone and email and address in my case. After that we're gonna say values because we need to have specific way how to extract generally those things from Python list. So what we need to type here is this %symbol and s, which means you will grab string from somewhere outside. And we are not talking about one string here, we have actually 5 fields we need to fulfill. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so we need to have 5 of these. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit of space to see things better. I don't need this last comma. So what about telephone? I mean, telephone is integer and we are grabbing like a string here. Don't worry about that because on the side of server, whatever it is, whatever you grab will be turned into integer. Right, so let's deal with that external list. So how we are going to call it, like our list. Why not? Of course, brackets, and now inside for every row that need to be in table we will use normal parentheses, and inside we will deal with those individual elements. Right, so name will be Michael, I think, right, and the last name will be Smith, and number. So number can be either inside strings or just like this without quotes. So whatever you like. I'm gonna use quotes here. Right, mail will be at some domain, I don't know, and address will be main road 1, 2, 3. Okay, after that definitely don't forget comma, and let's press enter after a little bit of space because we need to work on a new line here inside parentheses, of course. Samantha and Fox and phone number like that, and email Samantha s dot right, whatever, and center of city I don't know, 456, something stupid like that. Okay, let me have this closing bracket right here. And guys, yes, you can have multiple, like here 5 or 10 rows here, but you're just doubling your work, so 2 of these will totally be fine. Okay, so what's gonna happen if I press F5 now? You expect that something will be cool, and if you check what's happening here with select all from people, nothing. Well, why is that so? Here's the situation. See this thing here? You cannot use execute anymore because you are not working with the one row here. You're working with multiple rows, which means that you must use execute many, multiple of them, and SQL is not enough because in SQL you have this part, but also you have right from values where we have those generic places that need to be fulfilled. So you also need to state that right here. So how you're going to say that? Well, just comma and what is your external source. In our case, that is our list. And now when I press F5, hopefully I will have that, which means we are cool. But of course we must check what is happening in reality with our table. And there you go, guys, we have it. And see, those automatic IDs are working perfectly. Right, so let me test that a couple of times, just, you know, for fun. F5, see, automatic IDs, and F5 again. There you go. And now when we are checking, we will have 6 individual rows. And yes, these things are individual because when you say select all, not all, but distinct all from people, you will get them all because they are actually distinct because of these IDs. But when you say select only name and last name that are distinct, then you will get just 2 things. See, Michael Smith and Samantha Fox, because we are targeting name and last name. See, it's so easy to grab these things, and I was talking about that in the last 2 tutorials. Right, guys, pretty much that's it. Nothing special here. Just don't forget, you know, that these ending things need to be brackets, and then these internal things need to be parentheses, and inside those things, those rows that will end up in a table, they need to be delimited by comma. Right, and then don't forget that number of S's here need to correspond to number of columns you have in your request. Right, don't forget execute many and also state the source here. Okay, guys, pretty much that's it. As always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription, and as always, thank you for watching. Did I say that? Yeah, anyway, I need to go to bed, so yeah, see you next one.